Eyebrow Sculpting 101, Section 1. We come down very gently and just get the shape in. Then we'll move to Section 2, which is on the opposite side of the eyebrow. Doing the same thing. Using the spoolie to remove any excess hair that has coming off. Then we'll go to the opposite eyebrow and do the same thing. Again, we'll say this is section 1 of the eyebrow. Using the spoolie to remove any hair that may have came off. Then we're moving to section 2. Repeating the steps. As we do this, as you can see, I'm stretching the skin out as much as possible, not with too much pressure, just enough to raise the skin and allow the blade to glide smoothly. Then we'll remove the hair in the unibrow area using the toe of the blade. Now we come to section 3. Using the toe of the blade, we're doing small, consistent strokes as we pull the skin down. And it's okay, at this point, we are sculpting the shape. The first initial strokes are drafting the shape, and then as we continue to use the blade, that's when the sculpting takes place. So now in the section 4, we're using the heel of the blade to go down on the eyebrow. This allows more sculpting to take place. And as you can see, I'm using little strokes at a time, switching between the heel of my blade and the toe of my blade. Right now we're at the toe of my blade. And it's so important to stretch the skin. As you all know, a razor is very sharp, so the more we stretch, the safer it is to glide across the skin. The spoolie is very, very important as well. It helps you see what hair needs to be removed, and it also allows you to move the hair as you need it to. And we're repeating the steps that we just did on the other side. We're pulling the skin up and going down with the heel of the blade or the toe of the blade. Again, using the spoolie to arrange the hair on the eyebrows. And from here, we're going up into the eyebrow. This is section 3 of the eyebrow. And we slowly move over to section 4. It may seem as though I'm using the full blade, but in all honesty, I'm not. The closer you are to certain areas, you don't want to use the full blade because you could easily hurt the client and cut them right open, and we don't want that. I hope this helps, and if you're in the Waldorf, Maryland area and you're looking for this service, book an appointment.